2014 bike check. Here we go. Starting off up top, Shadow Voltus bars, 8.5, 28 wide, nothing cut down. Fit Mac stickers on there to make them look like Fit Mac bars because I'm not really a big fan of Shadow. So yeah, I think they turned out pretty good looking. Eastern compressor stem, it's really not the best, but my Sunday one got messed up a little, so had to switch it out. Nice Odyssey forks, R32s, really like the compression bolt thing. There goes the forks, R32s, like I said. Alright, front wheel. I actually really do like this front wheel. I don't know, it's Fit TA tire, all gum, 2.3. I like it a lot. So far it's been really good, no problems at all. Odyssey G Sport rim with nice Fit sticker right there. I don't know, kind of hard to see probably. Turned out really good, I liked it. Sapien spokes, cheap, nice, chrome. Madeira Pilot V2 hub, I like it, it's just I'd rather kind of have a male axle in the front, 2 pegs. Got the hub guards on both sides. They're nice, real good. Stolen chromoly peg, front, right, Shadow, little ones in the front in white. I don't know why I got it in white. I think I got it in trade with a friend. Fit Wi-Fi frame, 21-inch with Merit sticker on the front. There goes the Wi-Fi sticker. Yeah, 21-inch top tube, nice short back end, really good. I mean, I'd recommend it. I had one before this in nice candy blue, but I cracked it right on the seat tube area. Seat tube to top tube. It just kind of sucked, but I mean, it's whatever. It was pre-owned. This one's brand new. Sunday had said, I don't know if I said that, it's spray painted, so yeah. Oh, these cranks, I love them. Fit in the 24 millimeter. They are huge, but 19 and 22 are just, you gotta do something different, get the 24. Odyssey JCPC pedals, pretty nice, I like them. I don't know, I kind of want to get something different. I've been running these for a long time. Like the same pedals, I think this is my 3rd pair now. Maybe 4th? I don't know, could be, I have no idea. Fit CrossFit sprockets, nice, I like it, 26 tooth. No one has it, so you gotta do something different. Odyssey Bluebird chain, it's nice. I mean, I had it for a while. Just have to oil it and grease it, whatever, so often. Favorite seat I think I've ever had. Real leather Merit SL1 seat. It's so nice, so nice. Animal seat post spray painted, no one cares about that. Bottom bracket is the Fit 24, it comes with it. I mean, doesn't really matter. Back wheel, Fit TA again, 2.3, roll cage with no Fit sticker, sadly. Sapien spokes, cheap ones, like 25-cent ones on Dance Comp, I think. Nice Colony Free coaster. I switched over from cassette, and I don't think I'll ever be switching back to cassette. Maybe, I don't know. FBM hub guard, because cheap, and why not? Spray painted though, because, yeah. I mean, I don't know, I like my bike fairly light. It's not too light though, as to where it's nasty and stupid feeling, but heavy enough to where I don't think anything's gonna break. I mean, I snapped some Eastern cranks right on the pedal, like the pedal weld on the right side. That wasn't fun, it ripped my shoe. I mean, stem stripped out while riding, I don't even know how that happened. A couple broken front hub bolts, that's expected. I mean, ball ends, snap stem bolts, lots of broken chains, tubes, untrue wheels. I mean, everyone does this, so here we go with a hub sound check. Oh, just listen to that. Yeah, you can hear that. Yeah, but that's my bike, I know. I mean, pretty simple, really nice though, I like it. Nothing really changes, maybe pedals, grips, here and there. But yeah, that's it. I mean, hoping to put out some edits and how-tos and other videos soon. So subscribe, like, comment, do whatever. Alright.